In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert or delete sheets in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Now, if we're going to insert a sheet, so we just have to follow this shortcut. Okay, so to insert new sheets, you just have to press this shortcut Alt plus Shift plus F1. Now let's try. Alt, Shift, and F1. Okay, so we have added 5 sheets right here. And if you want to delete a sheet, just simply click on the sheet. Suppose we're going to delete sheet 3. So we just have to press Alt key plus E, Alt plus E plus L. But while pressing or in order to delete a sheet, you just have to press Alt key and then press E and L, okay? Sheet 3, Alt, E, L, okay? Delete. Sheet 4, Alt EL. Okay, sheet 1 Alt EL. Okay, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.